In this lecture, we are going to start 3D module in Creo. Till now in this course, we have learned about 2D sketches. Now we need to convert those 2D sketches into a 3D geometry. For this we have multiple set of commands in Creo. And here you can see all the commands that are extrude, revolve, sweep, sweep blend, shapes in the engineering section and in editing section. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about the first basic command in 3D and the most important command, that is called the extrude. So with this extrude, you can provide a height to a 2D sketch. To create the extrude, first of all, I will have to click on extrude. Now in the placement tab, it is going to highlight that we have to create or select any sketch. So right now we don't have any sketch, so we are going to create it. So click on define, and now we need to select the plane. So click on any plane, let's say this is top plane, and click on sketch. And if it is not rotating automatically in your sketch, you can click on the sketch view. After that, you can create any sketch. So let's say I will create a rectangle. Go to corner rectangle, draw any rectangle. And you can give any dimension, press escape. I'm taking by the default dimension and click OK. So when I try to rotate this, let's rotate this, and you can see it is going to create a 3D part. Now in this 3D part, there are multiple options. The first option, it is going to show us extrude as solid. Second is extrude as surface. And here you can specify the value of height. In this height, we also have multiple options. If I click on this arrow, like variable, symmetric, to reference. And after that, we have option in the setting like remove material, thicken. If you go to this menu here, you can see options. In this option, you can have option of depth, and then in the body option, we have option of adding more geometry. So initially, I'm clicking OK. Now you can see the solid part has been created. If you want to edit this solid part from here and once again go back to the extrude command, you need to go to this model tree, and here you can see extrude is highlighting. You can also see an arrow is highlighting. If I expand this arrow, it is going to show the sketch section. Now if you want to edit this, so if I want to edit only the sketch, I can go to this section, click on this, you will see two options: edit dimension and edit definition. If I go to edit dimension, from here I can change the dimension of rectangle we have created. So let's say I will make a double click on this. This is 500, press enter. Now I can press escape. So you can see we have directly changed the dimension without going into the sketching module. If I click on this sketch once again, go to edit definition. From here you will go to the sketching module, and here you can make all the changes. Let's say if you want to insert some more sketch inside this, then you will have to go to this edit definition. So just make any changes if you want and click OK. Similar thing you can also do by going to this extrude. Click on this extrude. Also you can make a right click. When you make the right click, more option will highlight. You can delete this, rename this. You can find the information here. Right now I am more interested in finding these options. So this is edit dimension, edit definition, edit references, surplus. First, edit dimension. It is very similar to the sketches. I will click on this, and you can change the dimension of the sketches. Okay, after that, so if you want to change the dimension of any sketch, just make a double click on a dimension and change this. Press escape. I will go to extrude once again, click on this. Okay, click on this and you will see edit definition. From this edit definition, we will once again go back to the extrude command. From this extrude command, you can change any values. If you want to change the sketch, click on this edit. If you want to change the height, insert some value. Let's say this is 150. Press enter. And here in the depth you will see option of changing the direction. Right now you can see by default the arrow is going upward. If you want to change the direction in downward, click on change direction. Now the extrude is going downward. In the direction we have some more option. First one is variable, that is using the value. Second is symmetric. So you see we have created this sketch on the top plane. So if I click on this symmetric, and you can see, let's say I will go to side view. This is front view, okay. Now you can see with this with respect to this top plane, we have specified total height, that is 150. So half will go upward and half will go downward. So it is going to create symmetric extrude. Then one more option we have is the to reference. So we will cover this later. With this up to reference, we can specify any reference geometry or sketch. So I rotate this, and okay, let me turn off all the planes here. Turn off plane display. Now you can also create surface from this. Right now this is a solid body. I will click on surface. So it is going to create a surface body. So for this surface, let's say once again I will go to this solid, and you can also specify a thickness to this. I will go to thicken feature. Right now you can see this is a hollow feature with some thickness. So you can specify the value of thickness here. Let's say this is 10. Now for this thickness we have three options. We can specify this as outside direction. So click on this change direction, then inside, and then both side. These are all the three options. Then in the option tab we have similar option like specify the depth here and then body option. So if you don't want this thicken feature, make a uncheck on this. And right now I want to make this as a solid body. Click OK. So these are some of the options in Extrude. In the next lecture we are going to learn about some more options inside this.